What about the time and the place of supplication? Does that matter?
As far as a person is concerned, he can supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala any time of the day, any time of the night, 24 hours of the day. But there are some times which are preferred. For example, immediately after the obligatory prayers. For example, especially the day of Jummah, when a person is fasting, especially when he's breaking his fast. And when a person is praying in the sujood. Also, in the late hours of night. And the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 1655, the beloved Prophet Muhammad said that there is an hour during the night in which there will not be a Muslim who will ask for the good without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala granting it to him. That means there is an hour which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, whatever the Muslim asks, supplicates, Allah will grant him. Further, beloved Prophet said, it's mentioned in Sahih Muslim, hadith number 1657, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends to the lowest heaven after 1/3 of the night is over. And then he says, I am your Lord, I am your Lord. Is there anyone who's there to supplicate to me? And I will answer him. Is there anyone to beg? And I will grant it to him. Is there anyone that requires forgiveness? And I will forgive him. So one of the good times is during the late hours of night, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala descends. And the hadith continues and says that Allah continues asking these questions till the dawn breaks. So one of the good times to supplicate is the late hours of night, just before dawn.
Subhanallah. Let's all get up and make sure. Does that mean the last hours of the night, meaning like
Tahajjud, which you offer late 1/3 or the middle third of the night? And as far as the place is concerned, again, a person can supplicate in any place. As the beloved Prophet ﷺ said, it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 1, in the book of Salah, hadith number 438, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made for me and the believers the full earth as a place to pray. The full earth is a place where you can pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But in spite, there are certain places that if you supplicate in the mosque, it's preferable. And amongst the mosques, there's no better mosque than the Haramain. The first is the Makkah, the Baytullah, and the second is the Masjid Nabawi in Medina.
MashaAllah. I wish we could be there now, Dr. Zakir. Inshallah, later on.